Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video I will be guiding you how to change Bigo Live account phone number instantly. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Bigo Live application and if necessary, log into your account. Once you land on this interface, tap on Me icon from the bottom right corner. Again, head over to the upper right corner. There you will get settings icon. Tap over there and under this settings page, tap on account management. And here you will get your phone number at the top of this list. So tap on your phone number and again tap on change phone number. Now before you change your phone number, you will get a verification code on your currently used phone number. For that, tap on send. Then you will receive a verification code on your mobile number. It is auto-filled. Now you have to type in the number that you would like to change. Once you do that, again for your verification, you will get a code on this number as well. For that, tap on send. Then again you will receive a code on this number. Once it is auto-filled, the phone number will be changed. So this is how you can simply change phone number on your Bigo Live account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.